Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. It's week 2 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. Hey Freedom Stackers! Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Let me start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything that I say in this video or any of my other videos as financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is what I am inviting you to join me in doing so that we all can stack more silver and gold. Well, you made it. It's week 2 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. And you've made it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and this is your first video that you're seeing on this topic, go back and check out this playlist from the beginning. Because this is a step-by-step weekly walkthrough in order to be able to stack 6 ounces of silver and 1/10 ounce of gold on a monthly basis. Whether you decide to save your money in an envelope or a shoebox, or me myself, I'm saving mine in my One Gold account this year. If you don't have a One Gold account and you'd like to open one, go ahead and use my code in any of my videos. Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 2 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. That's my heater that just kicked on. It might happen from time to time while this video is going on. So, this being week 2, and I'm currently putting in $100 a week. Well, let's jump over to something else. Texas Precious Metals doesn't currently have a 2021 in stock, so I'll just save aside $28 because there is no minimum shipping for Texas Precious Metals. So as soon as it comes back in stock, I'll be able to order that. And they already have the 2021 American Silver Eagles at just over $30 a piece. So that puts my total at $89.59, so basically $90. So this pay period, I'll be getting my 2 American Eagles and saving aside my money for the Texas Precious Metal round when it comes back in stock. And I'll be depositing the rest over in One Gold. Alright, so as you saw over there, I'm saving aside $90 to get my American Silver Eagles and my 2021 Texas Precious Metal round. And I get paid bi-weekly. So what we're going to do is we're going to fund. We're going to deposit. And since I were doing $100 a week and $90 is going towards silver, it's $110 for this pay period. Continue. Confirm. Close. Alright, my cash balance is $210.08. Gonna continue to save up to be able to achieve my 1/10 ounce of gold, 4 American Silver Eagles, and 2 Texas Precious Metal rounds every month. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking and I'll see you in the next one.